In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero. Before we start, a quick note on best practice. Xero won't let you delete a bill that has a payment applied or is already reconciled. The process you'll see first removes the applied payment by unreconciling it, which then frees the bill so it can be deleted or voided according to your accounting policy. Make sure you have the right user permissions and that the period isn't locked. From your Xero homepage, confirm you're in the correct organization and the correct date range. This helps you avoid changing the wrong transaction, especially if you manage multiple entities. If you use tracking categories or have month-end in progress, double check with your accountant before making changes. Open the sales area from the main menu. Even though we're focusing on clearing a bill or invoice for deletion, this route lets us quickly find a document that has a payment attached so we can remove it. The goal is to detach the payment first, because that's the gatekeeper that stops deletion. Next, go into invoices. Here, locate the document you need to clean up. You're looking for the one that currently shows a payment applied, often indicated under a less or payments section. If you can't find it immediately, use the search or filters to narrow by contact, amount, or status. Open the relevant item to view its details on the transaction page, scroll to the payment summary, and select the linked payment. Opening the payment directly ensures you're editing the source of the restriction, not just the document that references it. You'll now be on the payment transaction screen. Look for the options button in the top area of the page. This is where Xero keeps reconciliation and correction actions. If you don't see options, you may lack permission, the transaction may be locked by a closed period, or it may be part of an automatic bank feed rule that needs attention first. Choose Remove and Redo. This action safely unreconciles the payment and detaches it from the bill or invoice without deleting your bank statement line. The payment is cleared from the transaction, and the source document returns to an awaiting status. Xero preserves an audit trail, so you can re-reconcile later if needed. Give the page a moment to refresh and confirm the payment is no longer listed on the document. With the payment removed, you can now return to the bill and proceed with deletion, or, if required by your accounting policy, void it instead. That's the clean, compliant way to clear a bill in Xero. If you found this helpful, remember to review your activity log for accuracy after changes and coordinate with your finance team during close periods.